Namaskar and welcome to the second chapter of Object Speaks, a virtual exhibition series organized by Zonal Anthropological Museum, Anthropological Survey of India Regional Center, Mysuru. During this COVID-19 pandemic situation, it is an initiative by Museums of India to continue to build a relationship with their audience through a range of digital activities. Today, on 1st December, the 76th Foundation Day of Anthropological Survey of India, we all cherishing its 76th years of anthropological research and its contribution to the world research. So today, in the same direction, here I am going to explain and introduce to our audience one of the most vibrating collection of our museum, Puthan, a ritual mask from Kerala. Kerala is a land of art forms and festivals. It has everything to entertain the people all over the world. In the arena of its art forms, it has hundreds of traditional art forms and rituals like Kathakali, Mohiniyattam, Theyyam, Padayani, Thulal, Onnaputtan, Kullikali, Koriyattam, Tirayattam, Kumatikali, Chakkayarkottu, Kalari, Poyattu, etc. Among these, Puthanam Thirayum is one of the most important Khetra or temple art form of Kerala.
Puthan and Thira, locally known as Puthanum Thirayum, is a ritualistic art form practiced in the Kovu and Bhagavati temples during Purams, the temple festival of North Thrissur, Palakkad and southern Malappuram districts of Kerala by the Manan or Peruvannan community. The Thira represents goddess Kali and the Putham signifies her Bhutagana, the consorts of spirits. To make the performer dressed is a teamwork. The grand way of adornment with extended circle of intense makeup for the performance address the meaning of a mystical transformation of a human into a divine being. Traditionally, the makeup was prepared with naturally available materials, whereas now the decoration replaced with colorful clothes and other artificial embellishments. The performer usually wear in bright colors, usually red, tightly woven costumes embellished with heavy brass anklets in feet. Puthan is said to be the lieutenant of Lord Shiva sent by him to assist Thira, goddess Kali, to fight with Darika the demon. They are said to clean the villages of evil spirit during the festival season. When the rice fields turn bare after the harvest, the folk deities march across the stubble fields in a vibrant rhythm, making the barren fields fertile again. There is a belief after 18 days of long war, goddess Bhadrakali killed Darika, the demon, and his disciples, and brought dharma and peace to earth. The performance of Puthan and Thira symbolizes the victory of Bhadrakali. Thus, the performance begins in the premise of the village temple and the performer goes to each household to perform with the rhythmic beats of drums called Thudi and Ezupara, the double membrane drums. Each household welcomes Puthan and Thira with Deepam, the lighted lamp. During older days, when Puthan and Thira visit the households, as a mark of respect they were gifted with rice after the performance, but now money is also gifted as a mark of respect to them. Making of the Puthan mask begins with acquiring an old jackfruit tree, following which the stem is used to carve out the mask in a single piece. Once the general shape is made, the carver uses a variety of tools for creating details of the mask. The mask of Thira, the engraved wooden planks, makes the mask heavier than the Puthan mask. The Thira mask goes 20 to 25 kg in weight and needs good practice of balancing by the performer. Previously, royal patronage provide moral boosting to the artist for making mask, and in return they received honorarium. With abolition of royal patronage, later on local temple committee took over the charge of maintenance and making of mask. In past, natural colors were used for coloring of the mask using the brushes. Now, in due course of time, the natural colors were replaced by the modern paints. The larger-than-life headdress, made of peacock feathers with extended bamboo strip decorated with the piece of stones, glass pieces, peacock feathers, golden aluminium foil, etc., is tied on head. The imposing structure of the mask with bludged eyes and stick-out tongues leave an impulsive imagination to the wearer. The artist observes certain restriction in composition of food and while performing daily routine work while making the mask. By adorning the costume for performing Puthanam, the person becomes a deity. Based on the strong religious theme of Puram festival, the annual festival for the temples, the Puthan Thira performance has been organized during Puram. As per the myth of the Manans from Thrissur and Malabar region, who comes under the caste category, the genesis of Manan were from the earth element created by Parameshwara and his wife Parvati, and known as Man, means earth. Though per day collection may not reach their expenses, what they consume for the performance, but since as their hereditary legacy and sacred blessings, they acquired it from generations and still they are continuing this oldest art form.
So this is all about our second object under Object Speaks. Next month museum will come with another interesting object from its collection. Till then, as usual, follow all the protective measures. Stay home, stay safe and stay healthy.